The 250 glass for Millville just got a little bit better, with Austin Forkner planned to make his first gate drop in over 6 months. Obviously, in January, he had his crash in the opening round of 250 West Main, where he injured his knee, and he's been out ever since. So, slowly but surely, the pro circuit guys are coming back, and he is, because Austin Forkner should be one of those people who is a championship contender every single year. So he's on one of the best teams. He's super fast when he's healthy. He's not very consistent because he's always injured, but the addition of him to this series, midway through the year, probably doesn't going to change very much, but from a fan side of things, I think it'd be better just because it's another big name. He should be pushing at least top 10, top 5, depending on how fit he is or how much he's actually been riding. But I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. Are you excited he's back? How well do you think he's going to do? Is this kind of a, hey, let's see if I can get some points and people to remember my name so I can get a ride for next year thing? But comments below, you tell me. Whatever it is you want to say about it. Are you excited? Are you going to Millville? Whatever it is. And as you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.